Let's be real, we've all been there. Staring in the mirror, swimsuit in hand, wishing for a smoother, cleaner bikini line. Enter bikini waxing. Whether you're rocking a skimpy bikini or just want to feel extra confident, a little wax can go a long way. The great thing about bikini waxing is that it's not one size fits all. From a simple cleanup to a full Brazilian, you can choose the style that suits you best. But before you rush off to the nearest salon, let's break down the process and address some common concerns. We'll cover everything from choosing the right type of wax to prepping your skin for the best possible experience. Because let's face it, nobody wants a horror story in their bikini area. So grab your favorite iced latte, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of bikini waxing together. Now let's talk safety. Always choose a reputable salon with licensed estheticians. Don't be afraid to ask about their hygiene practices. Before your wax, make sure your hair is about 1/4 inch long. During the waxing session, your esthetician should use a new spatula for each application of wax. After your wax, your esthetician should apply a soothing lotion or oil to calm the skin. Avoid hot showers, saunas, and tight clothing for at least 24 hours after your appointment. A little aftercare goes a long way in ensuring that your skin stays smooth and healthy. One of the biggest concerns people have about bikini waxing is the pain. Taking an over-the-counter pain reliever like ibuprofen about 30 minutes before your appointment can help minimize discomfort. Avoid caffeine and alcohol beforehand, as they can make your skin more sensitive. Exfoliating regularly can help prevent ingrown hairs. Use a gentle scrub a few times a week to keep your skin smooth and free of dead skin cells. If you do get an ingrown hair, don't pick at it. Apply a warm compress and use an over-the-counter hydrocortisone cream to reduce inflammation. Everyone's pain tolerance and skin sensitivity is different. Communicate your needs to your esthetician to feel comfortable and confident throughout the process. Section 4. Aftercare and maintaining skin health. Your skin might be a little sensitive for the next day or two, so treat it with extra TLC. Avoid harsh soaps and lotions that contain fragrances or alcohol, as these can irritate your freshly waxed skin. Aloe vera gel is a great natural option to soothe and calm the skin after waxing. Apply a thin layer to the waxed area to reduce redness and inflammation. Once your skin has calmed down, usually after a couple of days, start exfoliating 2 to 3 times a week. A gentle scrub or a salicylic acid-based product can work wonders. Keeping your skin hydrated helps to prevent dryness and irritation, which can lead to ingrown hairs. Section 5. Choosing the right products and professionals. Finding the right products and professionals can make all the difference in your waxing experience. When choosing a salon, don't be afraid to ask questions. How long have they been in business? What type of wax do they use? Do they have experience with sensitive skin? As for products, look for those specifically designed for pre- and post-waxing care. By choosing the right products and professionals, and following these tips, you can achieve a smooth, confident, and enjoyable waxing experience. Happy waxing!